iOS 26 is finally here. Today we're going to be diving into 5 new features that are going to completely revolutionize your phone. Stay until the end of the video because we have a very cool feature that impacts us all globally and I think is going to really revolutionize the way we use our phones day in and day out. Okay, so number 1 is going to actually be a new feature called call screening. So now when you're getting a call from a spam call or any call that you don't want, car insurance, just anything that you don't want, if you go into the settings app, if you tap apps, tap phone, and then under the screen unknown callers heading, choose the level of call screening you desire. So the 3 levels are never, which basically disables call screening, ask reason for calling. There, your iPhone will actually collect the caller's name and their reason for the call before alerting you, or silence. All calls from unknown numbers will go right to voicemail. So at this point, we actually now have new features to enable your phone to actually, with Apple Intelligence, detect if it's a spam call or a call you just don't want. And then if you were to do ask reason for calling, that's kind of what I'm doing, is that it will actually, on the screen, it will ask the person the reason for calling. The person puts their information in. They don't put their name and phone number. It means like, I'm calling to discuss your car insurance, and then you can actually decline the call from there. So go ahead and knock yourself out with this. I'm very excited for this because I actually get spam calls and scam calls quite a bit. So for me, having the ability to kind of filter this is actually revolutionary and totally a breakthrough. All right, so number 2 is actually going to be the ability to create a calendar event with a screenshot. So this is new and this is improved and this is a big deal. So the first thing you're going to do is have the event invitation on your screen, whether it's an image attached to an email, a web page, or a social media post. From here, you're going to take a screenshot on your iPhone by pressing the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Number 2 is iOS 26 will detect the event information in the screenshot and display an add to calendar button below. Tap this button. From here, a pop-up will actually appear showing the event information that has been extracted from the screenshot. You're going to tap the create event button to add the event to your calendar. So this is huge, this is brand new, and this basically means if you ever see an email that won't work, or your friend sends you a screenshot of something, you can actually add events, whether it's a concert, whether it's a comedian, whatever it is, to your calendar now. So that is number 2. Number 3 is going to be make your phone wait on hold for you. So your phone will actually, while you're on a call with somebody, you can actually put people on hold now. So to do this, you're going to use Hold Assist in iOS 26. So tap the Settings app, tap Apps, tap Phone, and then ensure the Hold Assist detection toggle is turned on, which should be green. Now, dial a phone number as you normally would. When you're placed on hold, tap the hold button on your iPhone's dialer screen. Your iPhone will notify you when it's time to pick up the phone again to talk to a real person. So this is basically kind of putting you on standby, almost like you're in line for a call, which is cool, especially if you're like me and you actually put your AirPods in while you're on calls, just so you don't have to have your phone turn up to your ear all the time, and that gets annoying. As I promised, we have some cooler features that are globally coming up. So actually number 3 for today is going to be a new language interpreter. So spoiler alert, actually you don't have to do anything to enable this. With iOS 26, when you have a message or anything that comes into your phone that is from a foreign language, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, whatever it is, Apple Intelligence will actually translate this live in front of you. And this is something brand new to iOS 26, which I think helps us globally work better, faster, and smarter, because now you actually don't have to put into ChatGPT or Google. All of your translations will be just done right in front of you. And this is absolutely very cool in my opinion. So number 5, last but not least for today's video, is going to be customized folders for better file management. So if you are someone like me who struggles with organization a little bit, I actually am trying to work on this. It's important to kind of know how to do this. So basically, open the Files app on your iPhone, long press on a folder you want to customize, and tap Customize Folder and Tags. From the pop-up menu, select the Tags button, then choose a color to give the folder a new hue, and tap the check mark button. Next is choose a symbol you want to add to the front of the folder. Apple provides hundreds of options. So alternatively, you can tap the emoji button and select an emoji you want to add to the front of the folder. Tap the blue check mark button when you're done. So best of all, something to kind of add as a pro tip is that you can actually, after customizing your folder to your liking, the new style will sync across your devices using iCloud Drive. So it'll look the same on your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac. So this is very cool. And this just comes free with iOS 26. And let me know if you have any questions below. Also, below in the comment section, please put which of these are your favorite. Put some screenshots, put some descriptions. Have you guys done this? Are you excited? Also, the one thing I would like to know is for the screening of calls from scammers, has it worked for you? Have you actually seen it work on your screen? Put a comment below. I'm excited to see how it works. Talk soon. Peace.